Somebody take this girl camera. Take this girl camera for real. Good morning, friends, y'all. Welcome to the vlog. This vlog is starting off rough, y'all. I had a rough. Well, no, it started off rough. But I was able to recoup my energy, child. Baby, it was a whole lot going on. I'll tell y'all what happened later, but let me show y'all what happened that really almost took me out, y'all. And yeah, friends, the funds not be fun to just be out here spending money on lighting like that. Like, oh my goodness, I was like, Elizabeth, they coming to get me, honey. Like, I thought I was gonna pass out, y'all, my ring light, bro. I really did, but thank God for the duct tape. A for the duct tape. Ow. Yes, for the duct tape, child. So I'm about to start off this Monday by setting my intentions and making sure that I crush my goals this week, because that's what it's giving. That's what it's giving. It's giving a crush your goals week, and we're going to start off by eating a little bit healthier, okay? So I think I'm going to have me like a Greek yogurt type of, and fruit and granola type of situation for the morning. Maybe a little drizzle of the honey just to make it look cute. Yeah, friend, that's what we about to do. We get ready to get us some food and us, because what time is it? It's 9:26 and I'm running off of coffee at this point. I got up at 6, okay? I got up at 6, so I need to get myself together and give me some more fuel in my system. But yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys had an amazing weekend so far. Welcome to the Vlizzy, okay? The Vlizzy gang. Don't play. Welcome to the vlog, y'all. I'm going to see y'all in a few minutes when we make this good old granola yoga situation. Period. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la. Ooh la la ooh la la it's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la it's the natural law that the refugee bring. Ooh la la so we
This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. Dada cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, wait don't you get bada. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, the get them, ride and go. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the bench, the get them, ride and go. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do to me. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I want enjoy, I want joy.
Alright, you guys, so there you have it. This is our breakfast. We have banana light and fit Greek yogurt, granola, strawberries, and blueberries. Let's get our energy in, friend. Let's get our energy out. And I'm going to add a drizzle of honey in a second. Come on, honey. I do recommend doing this because, well, I do recommend using the yogurt cups because it's already measured out for you. You know what your intake is, and you can keep a track of it easier that way. So let's drizzle, friend. Yum. Alright, you guys, so let's have breakfast. Let me say my grace. Amen and amen. You guys, so let's see how this tastes. One little bit of everything. Give me some of the honey, some of the granolas for the crunch. Y'all know the food be good. You gotta do a little shoulder lean. I don't know how to dance though. Let me see your bounce right to left and let you. Hey, yes, it was giving me see how shoulder lean. But our day today is gonna be full of editing, more editing, and more editing, and more editing, and more editing. So it's a pretty laid back day. Glad that I prep my lunch. Really, ma'am? Glad that I pre-prepped my lunch for today. I probably will be back when I make dinner. My husband bought some T-bone steaks, baby. We about to grill them things up. They're going to be good. We're going to have some steak and salad for dinner. That sounds amazing, boss. But let me finish this, y'all. I'm going to come back in a few minutes, I guess. Yeah. Get you some, Frank. Get you some. I'm doing this vlogging thing, ain't I, friend? Today, you guys, this is gonna probably be like giving very much to a therapist couch. As long as y'all can last up on this dashboard. Oh, child, seriously. But today, y'all, I need to get a few things. I want one of those shower caddies off of Amazon. However, I don't want to wait for it to get here. But I'm going to go in at home and see what they have. And if they have something similar, then I'll purchase that. If not, then I'll just have to wait. And I'm going to go at home anyway because everybody needs some, hold on, y'all. Yeah, friends, so I'm going to go at home anyway because everybody's bathroom needs new bathroom, like something in front of their shower. I'm not even going to say rugs, but something in front of their shower door. I really want this bamboo kind of one that I saw on Amazon too. Oh my goodness, child.
In 1.9 miles, take the exit onto I-95 North and I-495 North toward Baltimore.
Okay, Miss Mama, y'all jiggling and everything. My bad, friends. But hopefully I'll find what I'm looking for at home. If not, then we're just gonna have to wait for it to come from Amazon. But Messiah still needs a shower curtain. His bathroom is the only bathroom that has a shower curtain in it. And yeah, I can definitely get that from at home. So we're gonna go in there. I need to do a bit of self-care. I'm trying to go get me a pedicure in this new area that I live in. Hopefully I like the cleanliness and things of that nature when I walk into this place. Because y'all know your girl will turn right back around, right? Okay? And I'll be at home doing my own dogs. Period, friend. Period. But y'all, I woke up and I was in such a great mood. Like, I just had so much gratitude for life. Like, it just was so weird. Like, I was emotional and everything. I was just so happy and grateful. You know what I mean? And I talked to my mom. She's on a retreat. And she was like, you know, I hate to give you bad news, but somebody...
Stay in the second lane from right.
She was like, I hate to give you bad news, but somebody that you grew up with basically got killed last night. And I was like, what? And I got to thinking about it, like, it really hurt. Like,
use the right lane to take the exit onto I-95 North and I-495 North toward Baltimore.
Okay, lady. So, y'all, it really hurt me more than I expected because we were, I'm not going to say we were close, but, you know, we were friends at one point in time in our life. And it's just like...
Take the exit.
It's just like, at what point do you think that
Speed check reported ahead.
This lady just tell me everything. But at what point do you think that, you know, it's time to make a change and it's time to get out of certain environments? You know what I mean? Like, I grew up in a rough neighborhood. Like, it was all love for the people. You know what I'm saying? Don't get me wrong, love everybody there, okay? And at the time, I probably loved its dirty drawers, but I didn't own that block. I didn't own that corner. So why would I?
In 5.3 miles, take exit 13 onto Ritchie, Marlboro Road toward Capitol Heights.
So why would I keep on putting myself into certain situations or predicaments for a block that don't belong to me, for a street that don't love me? I don't know who need to hit this friend, but the streets don't love you, friend. Like, at some point in your life, you have to say, okay, this ain't gonna work. You know, we gotta try something else. We gotta try something else, okay? Because this ain't cutting it. And I just wish that so many people, because there's so many good people there, I just wish that they would get it. You know what I mean? Like, if or when, okay? Because we're going to speak that thing into existence. When I get enough money, I'm going to go and I'm going to pull people out of there. Like, get out of there. Like, I really wish that I could just drop a whole bomb on that place. Like, this block that I'm talking about is the same block that took almost everybody that I gave a finger in the middle about from me. Like, just snatched them from me. Like, I just told y'all it's about to be a whole therapist couch. And a lot of times I don't know how to deal with it. Like, I'm closed off. Like, I just shut down. I don't know how to deal with grief or death because I seen it so much. Like, coming up, I seen it so much. Like, it's just weird to me how you just want to stay in a place like that. Like, get the fuck out of there. Like, woo, girl. Oh, it felt so good to get that out of my chest. But if you are a female and you in an environment to where as though you feel like you have to behave like a man would behave or like a thug would behave, then it's not good, friend. It's not good for you. It's not good for you mentally, spiritually, or emotionally, okay? And it's sad to say, but some females like myself, okay, wait until their adulthood to start becoming more feminine. Because we're brought up in these damn projects or these fucking hoods to where as though we feel like we have to be hard or we have to be a certain way because we're not gonna let nobody play with us, period. Like, and I get it, I understand it wholeheartedly, 100%. However, how long do you want to stay there? Like, roll out, friend. Like, just leave. Just leave. I know it sounds easier said, it's easier said than done. However, figure it out. Map it out. Like, map it out, friend. How you gonna get out of there? You can ask my best friend. Since we were like 11 or 12 years old, having our little fake picnics in our imaginary worlds, because we both Pisces. Like, I wasn't staying there. Like, I love the people to death, love y'all dearly, but I'm not staying there. Like, I just knew, I was gonna leave. Like, I just was like, what makes you wanna like that and wanna stay there? Like, oh, y'all, it is so frustrating. It is very much so frustrating. And I thank you guys for letting me rant. Because it's a bit much at this point, friend. Like, it's a bit much. And now your family, like, when things happen to you, you got to think about the other people that it affects. It affects your family, your friends. It affects everybody around you. And I don't think that people really be caring about the other people or, the consequences or repercussions that come behind that. Like, okay, you gone now, people probably more than likely gonna go and retaliate, period. Like, understand that. That's very much so clear. However, when it comes to me, friend, like, when I go, I want everybody gone. I'm selfish. I'm that selfish. Like, nah, I'm not leaving here till it's over, okay? Till it's over. Then it's just so much just going on. Like, people, we still in the panorama, ain't we, friend? Is it still going on? Because the people don't wear no mask. Like, it just seems like the world is back open. We live under a government that governs. We live under a government that say, okay, put your mask on, stay 6 feet, okay, back, give me 50 feet. Totally understandable, okay? I'ma abide by what you say, okay? You send out a little stimmy here and there, you know, a little bit of piece of change, because that's all it was, to help you get by or whatnot. And then, when you see the amount of, and then when you start to see that, okay, we're entering into a recession, it's, oh, you don't have to wear your mask, you can take it off. You know what I'm saying? Okay, just keep your 6 feet distance, just use your hand sanitizer. Child, then they come out with some damn monkeypox, like, it's just too much. It's too much. Like, I'm frustrated. I am so frustrated with the world right now. Like, that is the word that I'm looking for, okay? Because there's so much going on, and we weren't created to worry or to fear. However, I feel like it's okay for me to be frustrated with what the hell is going on in the world right now.
In 2 miles, take exit 13 onto Ritchie, Marlboro Road toward Capitol Heights.
Okay, Ladybug, I got you. Yeah, so it's just like, y'all, us as a people, like, I'm tired of hearing it, I'm tired of saying it. Can we stop killing each other? Can we, you know, start building each other up? Can we start doing better? Can we keep our environment clean? Can we not litter? You know what I mean? Like, this summer has been the hottest summer in the DMV area that I ever experienced. It ain't never been no damn 112 degrees outside, ever, okay? We getting closer and closer to the equator, girl. We need to get our shit together, okay? I got like, how many more years I got, friend? I probably got like a good 100 more years left in me, okay? And I'm gonna see it. So I'm gonna need everybody to hop on this train so that we all can see an extra 100 years. Cause ain't nobody got time for real. You know, but y'all, apologize for the rant. Let's go get these feet done. Hopefully that'll make me feel better. And shopping is definitely gonna make your girl feel a whole lot better. Oh, I just want to just get that off my chest, child. I just can't get over the monkeypox. Like, I just see the people. And then my son is a teenager, so it's like, if he gets a girl, he might get monkeypox. Like, oh, like, all right, y'all, I'm getting off the camera for real now. Somebody take this girl camera. Take this girl camera for real.
Your friends chilling day and night for days on end. Now you can't come see me tonight. Say you ain't got the time. I'm the last one you prioritize. Peeping your IG pictures on my phone. I won't spend another night at home. Okay, I'ma just be on my way. You'll see I'm not the one you take for granted, babe. I know that life can be busy, love. For the ones you love, it's only right, it's what I deserve. Love, tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Did your mind go on vacation, leaving your affection for me at home? Tell me what you done for me, done for me, done for me, done for me lately. Where's your heart and your attention? Where's the kind of love that I used to know? Baby, so can you take me on a date? It's simple.
So you guys, I put my steak on the electronic grill. And baby, let's see how these things gonna come out. Sizzle. I hope that you guys enjoyed this ranty vlog as much as I did creating it for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because it's a vibe. And that's on who? Period. Pooh and Murray had a little lame in them. Until next time, thanks for watching. See you later.